Hey there, K-pop fans and Jungkook lovers. Have you ever dreamed of having a photo with Jungkook? Well, today's your lucky day. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create amazing AI-generated images where you are in the same frame as Jungkook. Sound exciting? Let's get started. First, head over to Bing and search for AI Image Creator. Click on the Bing Image Creator link and type in a prompt that describes the type of image you want. Hit Create, and after a short wait, you'll see the results. Full prompt is present in video description. Now, let's personalize it. If you want to make it even more realistic by adding your own photo into the same frame as Jungkook. Here's what to do next. Go to remarker.ai, click on Photo Swap, and choose the Multiple Faces option. Upload the image you got from Bing, along with your favorite photo of Jungkook, and then upload your own picture. Click Swap, and just like that, the AI will place both you and Jungkook together in one frame. It's like magic, right? And there you go. Now you've got your very own photo with Jungkook. Give it a try, and feel free to experiment with different poses or styles. If you have any demand, feel free to comment. If you love this tutorial, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.